Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powder as well as some water decals. So today, I'm only gonna use one color dip powder, and this is in the shade Original Pink from Manicure Pro, and here is what it looks like. And I'm also gonna use some water decals that I got from Amazon. This one is so pretty and very sweet. And for the liquids, I will be using my Manicure Pro base as well as the activator. And for my top coat, as always, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails to remove the natural oil on my nails. So then next, I move on to my UNT peel-off base, and I will be applying this on all of my nails. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure, but you don't need to apply this on your nails if you want your manicure to last. So then next, I move on to my dip powder application. So I apply a thin layer of the base on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So as always, I start with applying one layer of clear on all of my nails. So then once I'm finished with one layer of clear, I brush up all the excess powder, and then I move on to my colored powder, and I will be applying 3 coats of this shade on all of my nails, but you're only gonna see me applying 2 coats on camera because I don't really want my video to be too long, so I did the 3rd coat off camera. So once I'm finished with 3 coats of Original Pink, I move on to my activator. So I apply generous amount of this on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush up all the dust. And then I clean my nails with alcohol spray. At this point, you can also wash your hands if you want to. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat, and I will be applying 1 coat of this on all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. So then once my nails are cured, I move on to my water decals. So here is what it looks like, and these are the one that I'm going to use today. And obviously with water decals, you will need some water. So what I do is first I dip my water decals into the water, and then once it's really damp, you can easily just slide your finger into the water decals and the image will just easily come off. And then I use my tweezer to grab the image, and then I place it on my nail. And also I use my other finger to flatten the image so it doesn't look very wrinkly. So I'll let you guys watch me place all the water decals on my nails. So once I'm happy with the placement of water decals, I went back with my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat and I apply a thin layer of this on all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. So what it does is it will encapsulate your water decals. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.